Hey guys, it's me Peyton, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a my five favorite slime, not 5 favorite slime. And if the quality is really bad, I am using my computer because I can't use my phone right now. So make sure to like, subscribe right here, and go check out my recent video right here. So yeah, let's get started with my 5 favorite slimes. My 5th favorite slime is this grape soda slime. The only reason why it's my 5th favorite slime is because it smells really bad, like good bad water, and it's really dirty. It feels weird, but I really like it. So see how clear it is, guys. And the question of the day is, what's your favorite slime? Very, very crunchy. I love it. Let's take a swirl and then move on to the next slime. Okay. It smells basically really bad, so let's move on to my next one. Okay guys, so here's my next favorite slime. It's really tiny because I just made it out of old slime and like out of it's like a butter slime. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like made out of I'm trying to think of what it's made out of. Oh yeah, it's made out of putty and yellow slime. I just added purple food dye to it. Okay, so here it is, guys. It's very stretchy. Oh, and I added my hand soap to it. It's very, very stretchy. I added it into this little container because that's all I had. I'll show you how it's like butter slime. This is my 4th favorite slime, by the way. No, and the question of the day is, what is your favorite slime if I haven't told you that already? It's really buttery. And comment down below if you want me to do a slime skit, like slime scam skit, like my squishy one. Oh, I said, and I forgot to say mixture, like. I'm going to show you how it's very crunchy. It's very stretchy, used to not be, and it's very soft. I really like this slime, and it's very fun to poke. It used to be pokey, but I had a lot of soap. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, guys, this is my 3rd favorite slime. It is my foam slime. If you have seen me make foam slime in my in one of my videos, go check that out. It's how to make foam slime. So let's get this open. Here's what it looks like. It's called birthday cake foam slime. By the way, guys, sorry about the background noise. It's the TV. TV right there. So yeah, let's do some ASMR with my birthday cake foam slime. And if you watched my recent video, this slime used to be white, but the colors got away with it. Like the colors got in the white slime. Because the only reason why I left it white is because I didn't have any food coloring. It's very crunchy, guys. I love this slime. This is why it's my 3rd favorite slime. Sorry about the bad quality again. I'm using my computer because I can't use my phone over there. It's always exciting to see the newest arrivals sprint away. Let's make a swirl, guys. It's very soupy. I remember on my other video, it wasn't that huge. Now that I added the foam beads, it was huge. And comment down if you want to know how to make butter slime without clay or glue. So yeah, on to the next slime. Okay guys, so here is my, sorry for my hair though, it's got sorry, I don't want to Okay guys, here is my clear slime. It's called Tropical Smoothie because it got these little beads in it that are fruit flavored. It's not very stretchy. I made it on a lively, guys. And if you're from Musical.ly, make sure to go like my recent posts. And if you're not from Musical.ly, go follow it. It is PEY123PEYTON 1233457. Here's my second favorite slime. I really like it. This is my second favorite slime. It's not very stretchy, but it's like stretchy at the same time. It's really hard. It's got too much borax in it. Yep. That's me. See, it's not very sticky, but it sticks to everybody else because they're not the one who made it. Hunters like Corey Knowlton say that's unfair, and that trophy hunters shell out millions every year. You know, let's just start over in my scroll. You know what, guys? We're giving up on this scroll and moving on to my first ever favorite slime. For as long as we can, as long as humanly possible, as long as we have an environment. Okay, guys, here's my next favorite slime. It's this one. This was gonna be fluffy slime, but my dad used up my shaving cream before I knew it because it wasn't even opened and it was all gone. Okay, so it's called Blue Moon Ice Cream Slime. Pretty color. That's my unicorn onesie. Ew, heart. Ew, no. Since I'm wiping this counter off extra good, since it's my favorite ever slime. Okay, so yeah, let's put that down so we can get the show of the road. Very crunchy. Croakable too. Whoop. I don't know why I do that. Let's make a swirl. This is very good for making swirls and like poking it. If you want to know how I made this slime, all I did was I had added glue in a bowl and I added glue in a bowl. I got it's kind of jiggly slime, like that, and like I got glue in a bowl. I added foaming hand soap, lotion, and then food coloring, and I just mixed it all in one. So yeah, let's do ASMR. Hey there, good afternoon, Martin. Our cameras actually just spotted the president a short while ago at the Trump National Golf Course where DACA, border security, chain migration, among other things. In the president's tweet, he writes, quote, the Democrats are all so yeah, guys, let's end this video. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed my 5 favorite slimes. Sorry the video was so long. Make sure to like, subscribe right here, and check out my recent right here, and comment down below what your favorite slime is, and if I should do a slime skit of a scammer. So, and if you've done those, make sure to put down the red heart emoji. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, yeah, bye.